I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation that device by using the HUAWEI settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the settings. Then from the following list, let's choose System, choose here Reset and select Reset Phone. So this will erase all data from your device, including your accounts, app data and system settings, installed apps, music, photos and all files on the internal storage. If you are aware of this, let's tap Reset Phone, and let's tap Reset Phone one more time to confirm the operation. That's it, the device is formatting all personal stuff. Let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.